How much time do you or your loved ones spend in front of a screen? Screens are all around us these days, and the majority of us even carry one in our pocket. We're so attached to our phones that we feel naked when we forget them at home. Studies show that limiting the amount of time you or your child spends in front of screens, such as TVs or iPads, can actually have very positive effects on physical health, social health, and mental health. Spending too much time on screens has been linked to bad sleep, poor grades, and a higher risk of obesity. Well, there's good news. Apple created and introduced to us something called Screen Time back when iOS 12 was released. Screen Time helps you to keep track of how you or your child use your time on your iPhone or iPad. If you choose to use Screen Time, you'll be able to see how often you use your iPhone, which apps you've used, which apps send the most notifications, and more. Let's take a look at some of the settings in Screen Time. So Screen Time is in the settings menu. So you just go to the settings from the home screen, and then it'll be right on the side. Where is it there? There it is, right there. Screen Time under Do Not Disturb. Just click on that. Mine's turned off. It says right underneath there, get weekly reports with insights about your screen time and set time limits for apps you want to manage. So click turn on, and this will be a little brief summary of what Screen Time is good for. So downtime, app limits, content and privacy restrictions, screen time passcode. So if you've got a child, this is incredible. You can just control everything. And right here it says, is this iPad for yourself or your child? So if you want to keep track of what you're doing, you can click on this is my iPad. If it's your child's and you want to control what they're doing, click this is my child's iPad. And you can control it from your phone or your other Apple device. So I'll go, this is my iPad. It turns on, and then after a while it'll start to populate all of these. So you can go downtime, schedule time away. So say you want every day from 10 p.m. till 7 a.m. Stop using it. That way you'll make sure you're not going to use it before bed, stay up super late, that sort of thing. Content restrictions, you can go through all of this, set a bunch of restrictions. There's so many options in here. You can set it to exactly how you like it and whatever works for you. Screen Time is hands down the easiest and best way to stay on top of what your child is doing on their Apple device. You can block App Store purchases, restrict apps, block websites, block explicit rated content for like rated R movies on Netflix, and things like that. If you're ever worried about what the kids are getting up to on their device when you're not watching, or if you're finding yourself getting lost browsing Pinterest for hours and not getting to bed early enough, check out Screen Time. If you're interested in setting up Screen Time but still aren't sure how to go about it, or you're experiencing troubles, we welcome you to come by the shop and see us. We'd love to help you out. At Your Repair Depot, we stock all sorts of cool accessories and cases for phones. We offer honest, affordable repairs on cell phones, tablets, and laptops. Plus, we have the fastest repair turnaround times in town and the best customer service. If you're looking for more information on anything I've spoken about today, or you have a repair question, just give us a call or stop by. Our number is 250-871-4541, and we're located at number 212, 3030 Kilpatrick Avenue. Thanks so much for watching. Your Repair Depot. Your repairs done right.